ready?
Yeah. Jesus.
I'm your god now.
I am recording this because.
Wait, I got a ball of gnomes from that.
Oh shit. So do I.
The hell?
I have 6. Oh my god. Michael.
Where are they? Where are they found? Oh my god! They're a weapon! They're a weapon! Tom, they're a weapon!
I know, but it's funny.
Oh my god. We gotta use the gnome balls on these dudes.
I need some gnome balls.
Oh my god!
Oh shit, dude, bro. Oh my god! Oh dude, you got a
Silicon board, it's not
Yeah.
what we thought it was.
keep. No, but we need that later on.
Oh hey, there's a little mini mart up there.
Oh, that's
It'd be a
cool.
shame if something were to happen to it.
It'd be a shame if someone shit on it. I don't know why I went to shit. It's a fucking tree.
I love how we're just like destroying the inhabitants of this planet's like, you know, hometowns and everything, and then using them as weapons against giant robots.
Using their people. We're so fucked up. I can just hear the screaming.
Dude, just 2 balls of gnomes.
Wait, Michael. Okay, so Michael, just stand there and wait and listen. Oh shit! Oh my god. I just jumped down and I lost a lot
Oh my god, I died.
of health. I did that same thing. I'll try and stay alive. Stay alive. I said in life.
I just relighted to get the last bit off.
Oh my god. Michael,
Coming.
look at me.
How? How'd you do that?
I don't know. I just destroyed houses and now I'm wearing one of them. I'll see if I can get another one. What is this? It's a house hat. I'm keeping this shit on for a while.
Hey, I got a tomb or something down here.
I thought you said you got a tumor. Oh, that sucks, dude.
Oh, sweet, I got a tech card.
Oh, fuck yeah. I have like 40 of those tech cards on my other character. I haven't used them once. But I'm keeping them because I know they're important for something. I don't know what they're used for.
Come down here with me.
Fuck you. How many pixels did I get from all this? I have
I'm
600.
gonna go ahead and take a wild guess and say a fuck ton.
I have 695 right now. Oh god, okay, I think I know what you're talking about. The thing that spits acid at you?
Yeah,
Like an acid cloud.
like farts acid in your mouth, dude. And
It
you're just,
farts.
like tripping balls for another 5 minutes.
God damn it! This thing is relentless.
Relentless like your mom. Jesus Christ, what am I, 12? Too slow. Oh, bye, Ty.
Oh, see you, dude.
Ooh, I'm getting drilled. I'm getting drilled, Ty.
Oh shit, I can help. Okay, I'm not helping at all. Michael!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Fucking... Oh god.
Dude, I got raped so hard within so few seconds. Like, look at little shark bass. Don't throw people. Who do you think you are?
A person who throws people. I hate people because I'm a robot and they just made me to do their work.
I love that you're saying that, but your character's made to look like Bender.
Mm-hmm.
You know? It's,
Oh yeah. Okay. Actually,
no.
come to me. Oh
No,
shit.
hold up.
Okay, I'm gonna take off this hat. Look at him, and I'm Bender and he's Fry. Bite my shiny metal ass.
Bite my shiny metal ass.
I wonder what I would title.
Oh, goodbye, Ty.
Oh, did you die?
Yeah, but I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Shit.
I'm like herpes. I never really go away.
Oh fuck. I found another ruin.
About to ruin your ass.
Yeah.
Oh, dear God. Why does this keep happening to me?
Oh, that is awesome. Wait, Michael, I got this. Don't kill him. I got this shit. I got this shit. I got this fucking shit. Hey!
Oh my God.
Nah, dude, we need to go down.
No.
We're going down.
There's a ruin right there.
I hear ruin, and I like it, because it... It's my asshole.
Hey, cover me for a second, will ya, homie?
Shut up.
Alright then.
Follow the sound of my people.
I can't hear shit.
Follow the sound of my people.
Oh God, now I
Oh
Oh my God. It's like the screams of small children.
shit, watch out. We got a thing up there.
It's a dildo. Get off that. Get out.
I have one more people. How do I use it? How many do you have?
13.
13? I only have 5.
Yeah, I make a crap ton of held items. It's kind of a thing I do. I don't feel like we should touch that. Oh, never mind.
It makes us light.
Turns out it also makes us highly flammable or something.
Okay.
There's a dildosaurus over there.
Gotta heal. We're gonna fuck shit up. Nice. Oh shit, there's something over there.
What's up?
Wait. Oh.
Dildo.
Oh, that turns it off. Okay. Dildo. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this is like a secret. Let's see what we get. Oh, pixels.
Oh, you took it.
Wait.
Back up.
Oh shit. Oh god.
There's nothing in there.
You're right, there's nothing in there.
I'll give you a weapon when we get back though.
My asshole. Oh, there you are. I thought you teleported somewhere else. Oh my god. I don't care about the story. Long ago, there was a okay, shut.
Where are you?
Okay,
Don't
thank
move.
God she finally...
Yeah, like don't move forward past the lady with the chair, you know what I mean?
We're touching tips. Wiggle. Flashlight tips. Oh. What's up, baby?
Where our house is, but
It's right or left. Let's go right. Oh my god. Michael, check this out.
what is that? You wait until I find a guitar or something.
You freaked the fuck out.
Did you see that thing?
Yeah. I hit it with a spear. I'm gonna heal in this bed.
Jesus.
In this tent. Let me...
God, I hate you so much, Ty. Gnarly. Ah. It's like a monkey Pikachu.
It's scary in here. How about I just...
That's always singing. I can't actually hear you singing. Whoa, whoa, Ty.
Oh shit. Watch out, Michael.
Jesus. Ty?
What's up?
So... Maybe you forced me so deep into the world, you dick. Look at all that I had to run from. That's not even all of it. Half of it fell down that way.
Oh wow, I see it. Jesus.
I hate you so much.
Hey.
I really thought all that stuff was gonna fall on me and kill me.
I don't think it can kill you. Oh shit. Ooh.
Yeah, I got a manipulator module on.
Fuck yeah. I got this, Michael.
Yeah, you killed me. You killed me.
I'm stuck in the fucking ground. Oh, I died.
We get distracted easily, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just raping the shit out of anything that decides it wants to eat you.
Ripping you.
Alright, look, straight up, we're gonna have to cut down this tree.
We're gonna have
It's really big.
That's the only thing that's big.
Not only that, but if you stick with me and dig under it, I'm almost certain, yep, there's a chest under it.
Whoa! I had no idea. That's cool. What's in it?
This lagoon chest piece. Give me a second here. Did you get all the wood from that tree?
Yep.
Is this our house?
No. Definitely not.
Don't hit him, don't hit him, don't hit him.
What does he give you?
Nothing, but he's friendly.
Whoa,
And
dude!
If
That-
there's more of them,
That thing up
We'll be
there.
in trouble.
That thing up there. It's holding a... Oh, wait. It's got a huge nutsack.
oh
I
my
thought
God.
I thought it was holding a bag. Like that we could... Like a special bag that we can get stuff from.
Alright, Ty, I'm gonna be completely honest with you right now, man. That frogman escaped. Oh wait, no, he's over here.
There's more frogmen over here.
I don't think we should kill them.
No, we shouldn't. Oh no, Chupacabra! Oh shit, he's fast! He's fast!
Is there another fucking chupacabra?
Yeah, he's fast. God damn. Oh shit. Look at this.
Ty, hold up.
This is not our house, but I'm definitely
I love-
stealing from it.
I love B&E.
Erect! Okay, well. What the fuck? Where's our house?
Sorry, it's gotta be that way.
Oh, wait! Hey, I'm home.
Wait, what?
I'm home.
How?
I just beamed down.
What?
I just beamed down from my ship, and now I'm home. What was that?
I'm so confused. Okay,
I'm making a furnace so that we can make bars and we'll make
I'm just-
armor. We're gonna
just
leave it
gonna come-
off.
I'm just gonna come to you.
Yeah.